Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Telco Guy. Today, we're going to talk about DeepSeek, the newest AI intelligent model available right now on the internet, which is free to access and is said to be better than ChatGPT. How? We're going to find out today, and I'm going to show you how to use it and its main features. So, right off the bat, this is the main interface. Similar to how you use ChatGPT, you type in a message and it gives you an answer. Now, what's different, however, is here on the left side, you have a chat history. So if you create a chat here, if you have multiple searches, multiple chats, it will appear here. And the interesting thing is you can rename it and you can delete that chat as well. So you can keep things organized. If you have a project, if you want to use DeepSeek as a project for your project creation, definitely that is useful. Now, you may also opt to download DeepSeek here on the bottom left corner of the screen. You can scan this QR code to get the app on your phone. Now, this is where things get interesting. These two icons right here, this is the DeepThink R1. It's used to solve reasoning problems. And this is the search icon, which uses the web to answer your problems. Now, let's use DeepThink R1. Let's say create a car model. So that's a very challenging question that you can't ask on the web because the web will only give you a bunch of things that is disorganized and you don't really know what to do with. But with DeepThink, it already arranges everything for you. It fixes everything that you need for that car model and everything else that should be included. And you can also ask it to add some other stuff as you go along. So, for example, this is the car brand that it created for us. It's named Eclipse Aurora, brand Eclipse Motors. It already gave us a model name Aurora and even a tagline where elegance meets the future. So, key features, you have here the design, performance, technology, sustainability, special features. It also includes the price as well and a target market and a launch strategy. Now let's ask it another question. Investment possibilities. What are the investment possibilities? Now, this is what I was talking about earlier. So you can use this to just go here if you have a chat and then click the three dots right here. You can either rename the file or you can delete it. So as you can see here, it already thought of investment possibilities. So definitely, yeah, if you have a project, let's say for school and or for work, then definitely you can use this and you can keep on adding a bunch of information for your project to make it more realistic and maybe add just a bit of a personal touch to make it personal. So as you can see here, it already includes here the Eclipse Aurora luxury EV concept opens several investment possibilities across automotive, tech, and sustainability sectors. So that's very impressive. Now let's add a new chat and let's use this feature right here. So this clip button is the text extraction. So what it does is it uploads a document or an image and it extracts the text from that document or that image. And not only that, it adds a bit of a spice to it. And at the same time, it also creates more steps for it. So for example, this one is a sugar cookie recipe. And just for your reference, this is what that looks like. This is what the document looks like, how to make sugar cookies from scratch. So I just copied it from this tab. So now we're going to see how DeepSeek analyzes this and makes it better. So as you can see, it already analyzed the user provided a sugar cookie recipe from PDF, but it's only the first page. But the recipe is incomplete. Usually, a full recipe would include specific quantities, detailed instructions, baking temperature, and time. So it already recognizes what's incomplete from the Word file. So that's very interesting again. So as you can see here, this is the only thing that I gave the DeepSeek, but this is what it gave us. Give me a full cookie recipe. It's thinking again. Now let's go back here to our previous chat. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. So if you have a project, definitely this would come in handy. You can either dislike the answer that it gave you, you can like it, and you can regenerate it. Regenerate in a sense that it would create a different answer for you. So if you don't like the answer that it gave you, you can have it regenerate the answer so that it would be better. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in figuring out what DeepSeek is and how it's different from ChatGPT. Well, it's for free. You can download it on your phone or on your computer, PC, desktop, whatever your device it is you're using. It's very handy if you're a very busy person. You have a lot of projects, you have a lot of documents in hand, you need to analyze a bunch of stuff. This would definitely come in handy. Hopefully, we were able to help you out. If we did, please do hit the like and the subscribe button. And we will see you on the next one only here on Talk Help Guy.